Second component to be installed, it's Autodesk Revit. So for this course, we're using at least 2020. And from 2020 Revit API, we can work upon 2021, 22, 23, and going onwards. So you just need to go to Autodesk. Within that location, we just need to start our session so that we are sure we're using our credentials. Yeah, just and once we have it, checking that we have our proper settings, we can look on our products and services, and from here we can just, depending on the Revit we require, I'm just going to make it this one smaller so that we can look better. So I'm looking for Revit. Yeah, that's it, Revit. And depending on the version I require, I can do 2020, 21, 22, 23. We will be working on 2021, but it applies to 2020 and 2022 and 3 as well. So we just need to download it. Downloading it will make it the install to happen. And it will get something like this, which is a setup. Setup running mostly will just be following through the same path. The only requirements it might have is within the libraries. So in this case, we should go with installing. We can go instructions in English so that it goes better. Yeah, just having it within the agreement of use. And then it will go up to the process until we have our Revit 2020, 2022 installed. So you see, we have here the main software, main component, and the component libraries. So for this course, we only need to have the software installed itself. So that will be it. And let's see some other requirements we need to have.